Okay, so next lesson naman natin is Laplace transforms of derivatives. Okay, so ayan na, medyo papunta na tayo sa application ano, kung paano natin ginagamit yung Laplace transform sa pagkuha ng solution ng differential equation. Okay, so magsimula yan sa Laplace transform of derivatives. Okay, so for example, ano, meron tayong derivative, y, pangit. We have y prime, okay? So, kung ano man yung y na yan, no? Let's say we have y is equal to f of x and kinuha mo yung y prime, so that's f prime of x. Tama ba? And ngayon, tinatry kunin kung ano yung Laplace transform ng y prime na yan. Okay? Or what is the Laplace transform of f prime of x? Masyadong makapal. Okay? So, ito lang guys yung gagawin natin. Okay? So, kailangan nyo lang sundan ito, no? May mga formula na tayo to get the Laplace transform of the first derivative. Okay? So, kailangan nyo lang sa uluhin to. That is equal to s times the Laplace transform of the original function y minus isang value or initial value nung function y. Okay? So that is the Laplace transform of the first derivative. Okay? So pag second derivative naman, so we're trying to get the Laplace transform of the second derivative equal to sa s squared times the Laplace transform of the original function y minus s times s times initial value of the function y minus initial value of the first derivative of the original function. Okay? So, third is the Laplace transform ng third derivative ng function y. Okay, so this is s raised to 3 times the Laplace transform of the original function y minus s squared times the initial value of the original function y, okay, minus s times the initial value or zero value of the first derivative of the function y minus initial value of the second derivative of the original function of y. Okay? And last is fourth derivative. Kinukuha natin this time is the fourth or the Laplace transform of the fourth derivative, no? So by now parang nakakita na kayo ng what you call this pattern ano sa pagkuha. So this is s to the fourth times the Laplace transform of the original function y minus s cubed times y of 0 minus s squared of y prime of 0 minus s cubed of ba't ako bumalik? S lang pala. Minus s of y double prime of 0 minus y triple prime of 0. Okay? So, ayan. May nakakita na kayong pattern kung paano natin kinukuha yung Laplace transform ng derivatives. Okay? So, generally, no, for the nth term, So, kumbaga, kinukuha natin yung Laplace transform ng nth derivative ng function y. Ang kanyang, kumbaga, pinaka-general formula is, makita nyo, that is s raised to, kung pang ilang derivative, no? So, that is s raised to n times the Laplace, no, ng original function na y. That is the first term, no? So, magma-minus lang tayo dito ng, kung mapapansin nyo, ang n natin dito sa fourth is 4. Ang pangalawang term is 3. So, minus 1 lang, no, ng n natin. So, this is s raised to n minus 1 times y of 0. Okay? Minus, again, s n minus 2 naman, no? Kung mapapansin nyo kanina, from 4, naging 3, second term. Third term is naging 2. Okay? So, s n minus 2 times y prime of 0. Okay? So, minus dot 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 kung ilan pang terms yung nandyan. But, yung second to the last term is s times y raised to, tama ba? Yes. Okay, so s times y raised to n minus 2 of 0 minus yung last na, wala ng s, y raised to n minus 1 of 0. Okay? So, this is the general form or the, general formula for getting the Laplace transform of the nth derivative of the function y. Okay, so, saan natin itong ginagamit? Actually, hindi ko rin alam. Charot, so gawa tayo ng example. So, ang kagandahan dito guys, kasi kapag given tayo ng mga initial values, no, so yung mga y of 0 na yan, y prime of 0, kapag given tayo ng ganyan, automatic na yung ating pagkuha ng particular solution. Okay, so, ganito yan. Gawa tayo ng example. For example, we want to get the Laplace transform of y double prime plus 4y prime plus 4y equal to 0. No? So, also, it's given that y of 0 is equal to 10. Ano ba yan? Y of 0 is equal to 10 and y prime of 0 is equal to 0. Okay? So, let's try to get yung mga second and first derivative. Okay? So, kunin muna natin yung ito, no? Itong first term. Ayun lang naman yun, no? So, isulat natin. Kung meron tayong second derivative, again, ano nga ulit? This is equal to, ayun, s raised to 2 times the Laplace transform of the original function y minus s, isulat ko na guys yung instead na n, lagay ko na yung 2. No? So, s minus 1 naman ngayon times y of 0, then minus, wala ng s yung last term, that is y prime of 0. Okay? Tama ba? Double check sa ating kodigo. Yes. Okay, so that's the same. So, kuha na natin yung first term. Yung second term naman, or yung part ng second term which is yung y prime lang. what is the Laplace transform of y prime, that is s times the Laplace transform of y minus s times y of 0. Okay? So, ayun. Pares lang. Okay, so ayan. So nakuha na natin yung mga Laplace transform ng y prime and y double prime and y prime. Pwede na natin 'tong i-input dito sa pagkuha ng Laplace transform ng buong differential equation na 'yan. Okay? So ang gusto natin makuha actually, no, ang tinatry natin kunin dito is what is the Laplace transform of the function y. Okay? So ito yung kaya nating makuha dito sa ginagawa natin. Okay? Okay. Let's try to input, no? So kunin natin yung Laplace transform ng buo. So the Laplace transform of that whole equation is just, ayan, by parts natin. What is the Laplace transform of the first term? That is s squared L of y minus s y of 0 minus y prime of 0. Ito lang yung first term, guys, ano? Plus 4, since may 4 ka dito, for y prime, times the Laplace transform of y prime is ito, yung nasa baba, s. Laplace transform of y minus s times y of 0. Okay? Plus, meron pa tayong third term. So, that is 4. So, ano yung Laplace ng y? That's just Laplace ng y and equal to sa 0. Okay, so i-try lang natin, guys, na i-simplify. And how will we do that? Ang pinakamadali, ayan, no, may given tayo na values ng y of 0 and y prime of 0. Pwede na natin yan, guys, i-input, no? So, hanapin natin yung mga y prime of 0. Ito yung pinakamadali. 0 yan, eh. So, y prime of 0, so ito ay magiging 0. Nasaan pa? Meron pa ba? Wait. Yun lang. Anyway, yung y of 0 naman, palitan natin ng 10. This one. So, ito ay magiging 10. Ito ay magiging 10. At yun lang. Okay, so simplifying further, we get s squared L ng y minus 10s minus 0, wala na yan, plus 4s, i-distribute ko na tong 4, Laplace ng y minus, i-distribute yung 4 doon sa negative 10s, ano? So, magiging negative 40s plus 4 Laplace ng y equal to 0. Okay? So, lahat ng terms na may Laplace ng y, pwede natin ilabas, no? Si Laplace ng y. So, Laplace ng y times s squared, so ito, plus 4s, ito, plus 4, so ito, then yung mga other remaining terms. So, negative 10s minus 40s, so minus 50s, so equal yan sa 50s. Lagay ka na lang sa kabilang side. And then therefore, my L of y is equal to 50s over s squared plus 4s plus 4. Okay? So, Tama ba? Let's double check. So, ito na yung final answer ko, as of now. Pero let's try and double check. Palagi tayo mag-double check, guys, So, ang Ly double prime, ito muna una kong i-check. Tama ba? Ly double prime, that is s squared, Laplace ng y minus s, y0 minus y prime of 0. Okay, so tama. First naman, s Laplace ng y minus y of 0. Okay, so tama din. Paano naman natin siya in-input dito? So, tama ba? Ito ay ito. Ito. Tama ba pagkakasulat ko? So, y10. Okay, so tama yung first term. Plus 4 times this one. 4 times s. Ito yan. Minus this one. Okay, times 4 times Laplace ng y equal to 0. Okay, so tama. Alisin ko yung highlights para hindi nakakalito. So, up until this point, tama pa tayo. Okay, so, s squared Ly minus 10s. Ito, makakancel na talaga to. Ito naman, 4s times L ng y minus, ano to? 10s. Uy, ano yun? I-rewrite ko lang to, guys, itong part na to. Itong part na to. Isulat ko lang siya dito kung tama ba talaga yung aking pagka-simplify. So, that is 4s times Laplace ng y minus yung y of 0, pinalitan na nating 10s. Okay, so pag sinubstitute or pag dinistribute ko yan, that is 4s Laplace ng y minus 40s. Okay, so yes, tama. Okay, so nilabas naman natin yung, or finactor out natin yung L of y. So, s squared plus 4s plus 4. Okay? That is equal to our okay. May mali tayo, guys. Dito pa lang, may mali tayo. Nasaan yung mali? Ayun, titingnan nyo yan. Dito. Ano yung mali? Meron akong nakamultiply na s. Sorry. So, wala dapat yun. So, therefore, pag lagay ko dito, dapat wala rin tong s na to. So, therefore, pag minultiply ko yung 4 doon, magiging 40 lang dapat siya. So, saan magiging iba yon? So, dapat sa right side, instead na 50s, it will be 10s plus 40 lang. Okay? So, this is 10s plus 40. So, dito is 10s plus 40 din. Okay? So, sorry guys, Doon pa lang medyo may mali tayo. Pero at least, nagdo-double check tayo para makita natin kung may mali ba talaga. Okay? So, I hope na ganun rin yung ginagawa ninyo kapag kayo ay nagtatry mag-solve. Okay? So, ayan. Up until dito muna yan. Okay, so, I hope alam nyo na kung ano yung gagawin. Okay, so see you sa ating next lesson, and our next lesson will be on inverse Laplace transform naman.